Good morning. How to open this? Oh, I fucked up. How do you do that? Just a little. Let's just have to see what is the view outside. It's actually not good morning, guys. It is almost 2 in the afternoon. Oh, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda naman ng view. It's just a white building. Tapos makakatingin ka din doon sa iba. Yan yung view. Yan yung view natin, guys. Good morning. Pero nothing special. Kaya i-close na natin ulit. But still, magandang araw. Sasabihin ko sana, guys, good morning, but it's not good morning. It is 2 in the afternoon. Kaya, good afternoon. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. And we just woke up mga 30 minutes ago. Grabe. Kasi nga, kagabi, guys, nagpunta kaming bar. Medyo na, I don't know, we were not drunk, right? It was just tipsy a little bit. No, not even. But it was a very tiring day yesterday because I had to go to work yesterday from 9 until 4. It was very busy. Kasi nga, the shop, it's Christmas time, so everybody's buying gifts. So, yung shop namin, guys, sobrang busy. And then right after that, kinuha ko ni Martin. He picked me up. And then we went here. And then we went on dinner. Yung dinner namin, grabe, ang tagal bago kami nakakita ng place to eat. Kasi everything is just like no seat available. Kasi nga, sobrang busy yung mga tao. Parang nag-Christmas party, ganyan. So, we ended up in a restaurant called Carlton. And it was our first time there. It was unexpectedly really, really good. Steak yung kinain namin. Tapos yung atmosphere niya is hindi siya ganun ka-busy. So, parang marirelax ka din. So, it was nice. Tapos, afternoon, nag-bar kami. It's called Zippilin. First time din namin doon. And it was not like super crazy bar. It's just you sit there and you drink and you listen to a little bit of music. So, it was not wild. But it's just the walking was the hardest part because it's so cold right now here in Denmark. And yeah, it's just so cold. It's like the cold is going through your bones. That kind of feeling. But anyway, we survived and we went here. We went home. We went here safe. And the bed is too small. So it's like, okay, it will be uncomfortable for us to sleep in the two of us in one bed. So I have to climb up there like a monkey and sleep there. It was also nice. And then, ano pa ba? So now it's 2 p.m. and we have to go out. There's no food in here. We're so hungry. And nothing at all. I mean, there's water. We can drink water. And I had a coffee. Yun lang. Pero, wala pa kaming breakfast. Wala pa kaming lunch. So, we have to... Now, I'm prepared. Prepare na ako. Actually, hindi ako naligo. Who cares? Maginaw. Hindi naman tayo nagsisweat dito. But, yun. So, Martin's gonna prepare himself too and we have to go out because ang sakit na ng ulo ko kasi wala pang kain. Yan yung problema, guys. My God! Parang nag-enjoy kayo sa weekend nyo pero gutom lang pala ang aabutin natin. See you later. Oh? Alis na muna tayo. There. Ready to fight na naman. Hindi na ako magdadala ng camera, guys. I'm just gonna bring my phone kasi para sure ball. Kasi mag-concert kami mamaya ba. Baka we get so drunk, hindi makalimutan ko to. So, phone na lang at yung card ang dadalhin ko. So, yun. See you later. Ready na. Yeah, but I can see it. I get peripheral views.
Okay.
Oh my God, I get peripheral views, Char. Guys, hanap na naman tayo ng pagkain, guys. O, asawa ko, gutom na gutom yung pagmumuka. Ako naman, sobrang gutom din. Yung ano dito, place dito, parang ano siya. Basta pag hipster ba? So, bagay kami dito. Yun, pakita ko sa inyo.